snap-it connectors are used for metal-clad, armored cable, and flexible metal conduit connections. The question is whether using a snap-it connector in a concentric or eccentric knockout provides proper bonding, and whether listed in Article 250.97 means the box has been tested to assure proper bonding if the smaller knockout is used. The answer is yes. The snap-it connector provides proper bonding in a concentric or eccentric knockout. The snap-it connector is designed to meet the requirements of Article 250.92 for bonding around concentric or eccentric knockouts. It consists of a non-metallic bushing with a bonding spring that makes contact with the box or enclosure and the connector. This ensures electrical continuity and the capacity to conduct fault current safely. Also, in Article 250.97, listed means that the box has been tested to assure proper bonding if the smaller knockout is used. Exception 1 to Article 250.97 states that concentric or eccentric knockouts are not required to be bonded around if the box or enclosure is listed for the purpose. This means that the box has been tested and approved by a nationally recognized testing laboratory to ensure that the smaller knockouts provide proper bonding when used with the appropriate connectors. Article 250.92 requires bonding jumpers meeting the other requirements of this article to be used around concentric or eccentric knockouts that are punched or otherwise formed so as to impair the electrical connection to ground. Standard lock nuts or bushings shall not be the sole means for bonding required by this section. Article 250.96 states that metal enclosures shall be effectively bonded where necessary to ensure electrical continuity and the capacity to conduct safely any fault current likely to be imposed on them. Article 250.97 addresses bonding for over 250 volts. However, there's an exception where a box or enclosure with concentric or eccentric knockouts is listed for the purpose. The listed method shall be permitted. The snap-it connector meets the requirements for bonding around concentric or eccentric knockouts in accordance with Article 250.92. Boxes or enclosures that are listed for this purpose have been tested to ensure that the smaller knockouts provide proper bonding when used with the appropriate connectors.